Do you ever wonder how they create this type of raw infos, or how do they add this small text? Today I am going to tell you all the things which you need to create a perfect embed like this. I will also explain to you all the features and what you can do to make your embedded message more beautiful. So anyways, the method which I am going to be using is by a website called Discohook. So to start things off, go to your channel settings of the channel where you want to be the webhook on. Then go to the integration and create one by pressing this button. After that, customize it to match your needs. I will use this one just for example. Copy the link by pressing this button and you are good to go. Go to the website which I mentioned earlier. Now paste the webhook link which you copied. After that, to add an embed, press on this button. As you can see here, there is a little box created. When you expand the author section, three elements come into view. First one is the author. When you fill this up, you will see a small text creating at the top of the embed. Next up is author URL. If you add any link to this, it will just make the link clickable. It is useful to redirect the user to the author's webpage or profile. Last one is the icon URL. This just does what it says. Paste a link of any image from Discord and it will show up here. So next up is the body section. When you expand this, we will see quite a few elements coming to the view. The first one is title and it is bigger than usual text. The second one is a description. It is normal text. There is also URL section which if you paste any link it will hyperlink the title. Also you can see a color option which you can choose any color of the embed from it. Coming up next is field, which is really interesting. When we expand the section, we will see some elements. First one is the field name. It is a regular bold text. However, field value is a normal text. Here comes the fun part. Beside the field name, there is a checkbox called inline, which I will explain later. Now, when we press the add field button, another identical section will be opened. Now, if you fill all the fields and check the inline box on all fields, you will see that the messages of the field are showing side by side, which was possible to make in PC but would get destroyed in mobile, but it doesn't now. So you can use it and make good looking roles info or cool things with it. Coming up next is images. It is a pretty straightforward one. First of all, we have image URLs. If you paste any image links in it, it will be shown in the embed. There is also an option to put the images on the top right corner of the embed. In order to do this, you have to paste the link in the thumbnail URL section rather than the image URL. Last but not the least is the footer section. This is just as like the author one but with an extra feature. There is an option to post timestamp at the bottom of the embed, but in my opinion it is not that useful cause you can already see the time on the right of the webhook when the message is posted. After completing the embed, go to the top and press send to send the embed where you set the integration in. Consider subscribing to see weekly Discord videos and bye.